Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to apply for an Argos card. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. First, open any browser and search for Argos Card. From the search results, open the official Argos Card page. On this page, you will see a form that you can fill out to check your eligibility and apply for the card. Start by entering your title, first name, last name, and date of birth. After that, enter a valid mobile number and your email address. Once those details are filled in, click on Continue. Next, it will ask where you live. If needed, click on Enter Address manually and type your full home address, including your street, town, county, postcode, and any other required details. Once you have entered everything, click on Continue again. After that, you will need to provide your financial details, such as how much you earn and how much you spend each year. Enter your income and spending details carefully. Make sure you only use numbers without commas or any extra symbols. Once everything is filled in, click on Continue. On the final page, review all the information you have entered and make sure everything is correct. After that, click on Continue to submit the form. Argos will then check and verify your information, and they will let you know if you are eligible for an Argos card. If your application is approved, you should receive further details within the given time frame. That is how you can apply for an Argos card online. That is all for this video. Have a great day.